petting her kitty. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we may get Haley get her first bite by Calvin on the camera.
Yeah.
Where's Elmo, Haley?
Oh, yeah.
How big is Haley? Is she so big?
Oh, yeah.
Now, if you can't understand her, then there's something wrong with your ears. 'Cause this is perfectly easy to understand. This is obviously not easy to see because I'm moving around too much. Haley has chased Calvin down to the table.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those pigtails.
Oh.
Haley, where's Elmo? Can you say hi to Elmo? Uh-oh. She's, seriously, this would not be funny to get that on film. Her getting bit by the cat. He's really nice to her for what she does to him. Haley, we don't want to see the back of your head. Haley, where's Elmo? How big is Haley? Say, I don't perform. Back to Kitty. Haley, can you say bye-bye? Poor cat. First bite on camera. Not funny, actually. Sounds like she's imitating him hiss, but she's never heard him do that, surprisingly. Key! Kitty? Alright, well this is getting kind of boring, so kind of a snoozer. Did you say Key? That's what she calls him. She just got his nose. Key! Key. Oh God. All right, Haley. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye to Elmo?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kitty.
Okay, bye.